quick demonstration on the fast idle and primer system on these Mercury motors. A lot of people think this knob here is basically just a choke knob. In reality, it does a lot more. The first function is it's a primer, so when you pull this knob out like that, there is an arm on the side of the carburetor, pushes down on that little primer button. It shoots a little bit of gas into the carburetor throat and helps it start when cold, similar to like a primer button on a snowblower or a lawnmower and stuff like that. And when the engine's warmed up and the knob is pushed in like that, you can also turn this back and forth like this to adjust the idle speed. And basically, turning this knob activates this arm as well as that metal rod right there to advance the ignition timing at idle to allow for faster or slower idling. So basically, if I were to start the engine here and if I were to turn it all the way clockwise to fast idle, you can hear it's idling fast, and you can bump that down by turning that all the way clockwise. And then if I were to put it into gear like that and you're at trolling speed, if you don't want to constantly be adjusting the throttle like this to troll faster or slower, you can bump the idle up and down using this knob here. So when the motor's warmed up, you should be able to idle with this all the way down, and it's a nice slow idle like that. Or if you want to troll a little faster, turn it up. It works really well. A lot of people do not understand how to use that properly, so just thought I would show you because it really helps, and it's a really nice system when it's working properly like this one is. Thanks.